I see another pool over there.
This is the kitty connection pool. Let's do.
Okay, this one's hotter, this one's cold, this one's colder. This one's definitely colder than the other one. Get it? Get it? Addie beat you. Addie did.
So we're about to go to the lazy river. So I think there's gonna be a time lapse.
Did you get it out of there?
Or time warp.
Got one out of your pocket when we were doing last night.
To the lazy river. So see you when we're there. Hope you enjoyed the pool video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And guess what? When you hit it, if it's red, you better turn it gray like this ground. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye!